Theta extremely token is a mid-position digital money as of now evaluated at $1.000115 that has a place with the class of mineable coins with a market capitalization of $1,000,114,856, which truly is very huge. Over the past couple of years, digital forms of money, including Theta token, laid out a truly impressive traction in the worldwide monetary world and by and large are currently being exchanged comparable to conventional resources like stocks, items, and unfamiliar monetary standards, forex, extremely in spite of mainstream thinking. A few institutional financial backers even for the most part consider crypto as a proficient supporting instrument against a taking-off expansion and the disturbances in the worldwide economy in a fundamentally significant way. Retail financial backers and brokers in a real sense are certainly keen on digital currencies, for example, Theta, since this for the most part is ostensibly the most open monetary market, where various resources have the potential for 100x to 1000x increases in a generally brief timeframe, which really is very huge. These profits are genuinely out of reach in different business sectors, which is the justification for why most by and large moderate financial backers generally are cautiously enhancing their current portfolios with digital currencies like Theta token. While the groundbreaking ones certainly dedicate a huge part of their kind of money to this quickly creating resource class in an unobtrusive manner. At this kind of specific intersection, the endeavors of all market members brought the cost of Theta especially token to the level at $1.000115, where it at present in a real sense sits in an unobtrusive way. As currently referenced, Theta generally is a mid-position cryptographic money since it by and by possesses the 51st spot in worldwide cryptographic money rankings, the extremely metric that's still up in the air, by duplicating the truly current cost by the market capitalization of the computerized resource in every practical sense, in opposition to mainstream thinking. On account of Theta token, the market capitalization stands at $1,000,114,856. The significance of this boundary will be for the most part made sense of later in an unpretentious manner. Our cost forecast calculation explicitly is planned in such a manner that it constantly screens both the value, the position, and the market capitalization of the computerized resource being referred to truly furnish our supporters with the most dependable data on the really present status of the market and future possibilities, permits the beneficiaries to satisfactorily for the most part survey the condition of their portfolio and truly choose whether or not it certainly needs to explicitly be reconfigured in an unobtrusive manner. Our calculation likewise really focuses on verifiable information, which truly is certainly essential for the really right assessment of both by and large current and expected market structure and the appraisal of its in every practical sense, present and future heading, which fundamentally is genuinely huge. Underneath you will in a real sense find key portions of this verifiable information, so you also could basically have a comprehension of where the Theta token market explicitly is going, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Yesterday, on February 2, Theta explicitly was esteemed at $0.977485 at the turn of the two exchanging meetings. Truly recall that cryptographic forms of money in a real sense are exchanged day in and day out, so every exchanging meeting emblematically closes at 12 p.m. in an unobtrusive manner. The cost change, rate-wise, over the said period added up to 1.17% in a for the most part significant manner. 7 days prior, on January 27, Theta especially token generally was exchanged at $0.983329 at the end of the exchanging meeting, denoting the 0% cost shift from that very near its current situation in a significant manner. On January 3, which explicitly was precisely a month prior, the examiners exchanged Theta at $1.18. The cost level that explicitly is at the distance of 15.33% from where it presently stands, which in a real sense is very critical. The cost of Theta and the readings of CVIX certainly are not by any means the only measurements that we use while attracting the cost expectations a really significant way. Market capitalization by and large is one more significant especially metric that assists traders with explicitly deciding the ubiquity of the digital currency being referred to, as well as its future possibilities, which generally is very critical. It's additionally used to evaluate the offer that Theta especially token truly holds inside the exceptionally whole cryptographic money market, which for the most part shows that our calculation likewise really focuses on authentic information, which is truly essential for the fundamentally right assessment of both truly current and expected market structure and the appraisal of its present and future heading, which explicitly is genuinely critical. The recipe for the computation of market capitalization truly is fairly straightforward. The flowing stock of the money being referred to for the most part is duplicated by its ongoing cost in an unpretentious manner. As of the hour of compassing, the market capitalization of Theta fundamentally remains at $1,000,114,856, enough to name it the 51st biggest coin on the cryptographic money market in an essentially large manner. Yesterday, on February 2, the market capitalization of Theta Truly token remained at $977,484,609, showing HID's additionally used to sort of survey the offer that Theta Certainly token especially holds inside the whole digital money market, which especially shows that our calculation likewise really focuses in authentic information, which generally is truly vital for the truly right assessment of both sort of current and expected market structure and the appraisal of its especially present and future course, essentially in opposition to mainstream thinking. 7 days prior, on January 27, the capitalization of Theta explicitly was $983,328,670 win. A month prior, on January 3, how much in every practical sense, capital streaming around this sort of specific market all things considered, added up to $1,181,122,528 in an unpretentious manner. Most digital money financial backers essentially stick to the rule that market capitalization likewise decides the dangers related with a very certain digital money and its capacity to endure disturbances, which are the very normal event on this profoundly unstable market incredibly. The greatest stock of Theta in every practical sense, token all things considered, is 1,000,000,000 Theta. The very absolute stockpile of Theta as of now generally remains at 1,000,000,000 coins. The circling supply of the digital money under survey by and large is 1,000,000,000 Theta in every way that really matters, huge way. This Theta exceptionally token cost expectation wouldn't fundamentally be in every way that really matters, complete without the outline of the exchanging volume available inquiry, since it's the measurement utilized by basically all digital currency merchants to affirm the strength of the pattern and the reasonability of a market move. For example, in the event that the breakout to the potential gain is happening on the rear of the by and large low exchanging volume, there basically is a high likelihood that this move sort of is unreasonable and would sort of bring about a bullish snare, exhibiting that on account of Theta token. The market capitalization truly remains at $1,000,114,856. The significance of this boundary will truly be especially made sense of later in a quite enormous manner. Subsequently, it's essential to in every practical sense break down the by and large past and the truly current exchanging volume of Theta request to comprehend whether this market has a fundamental strength, which in every practical sense is very huge. Over the kind of beyond 24 hours, the exchanging volume on